Hey guys, wanna know how to create a demo account in MetaTrader 5? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, creating an account in MetaTrader 5 is really easy. You simply download and launch the app. And now right here, you can see add trading account if you are on quotes, charts and so on. Now what else you can do is, on the top left as well, you can see this hamburger icon. Just simply click on it and then select get started. And once you've selected add trading account, select meta quotes ATD. Now select open a demo account and type in your first name, second name, date of birth, phone, email and stuff. Now once you've done everything, just simply select accept on terms and conditions and then select register. And there you have it. Select done and then your demo account has been successfully created. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.